Do you think is someone else knows your Wi-Fi password? Or too many devices connected to your Wi-Fi network? The fastest solution is simple. Just change your Wi-Fi password. So in this video, I will show you exactly how to change your Wi-Fi password from your phone and computer also. You don't need any extra apps. You can do it from your router settings easily. So let's start the process. So for changing your Wi-Fi password, first of all, you'll need to go to your phone settings. So let me go mine. And after that, you need to select here Wi-Fi, this section. Then you can see I have got connected this router, which is TP-Link. So let me click this one, this arrow sign. And after that, you can see there is no password changing option available. So first of all, you will need to collect this address, which is 192.168.0.1. Just remember this thing. And after that, just get back from here. And then you need to go to your Google Chrome browser. Then right here that address, which is 192.168. You can see there is a suggestion which is 0.1, but this is not 0. This is actually O. So don't click on that. Just type it manually 0.1. And after that, just click here Go option. And then you can see I have using C6 router. So for changing my Wi-Fi password, I need to click this 3-dot line. And after that, click here wireless, this option. And then you can see I have actually dual network, dual band. So you can see there are two types of name, which is TP-Link and another is Home 5G. So I want to change this TP-Link router password. So you can see there is my default password already got. So let me change it. Suppose I want to give this password. So after giving this new password, I need to click here Save option. And after that, my password will be changed. Okay, so let me click here Save option. And you can see it's already done because I got disconnected to this Wi-Fi. Let me show you. You can see TP-Link, it's not connected. So I need to go to Forget Network. And after that, I need to click here TP-Link again. Then let me type my new password in here. And after that, let me click here Connect, this option. And you can see I have got connected to this router again. So that's it, guys. So by this easiest process, you can change your Wi-Fi password easily. So thank you so much for watching this video.